This little scan tool can literally save you thousands of dollars, and most people don't even realize what it can do. Well, today I'm breaking down my top 5 reasons every vehicle owner should own an OBD2 scanner. The first reason is to save you time and money. Most dealerships charge around $100 just to scan your vehicle, and most of the codes are a really easy fix. An example I've seen is an evap leak code. Now, my truck doesn't have a gas cap, but a lot of the vehicles that do, that's usually what the problem is. It's just not tightened down all the way. It would really suck to waste your time and money at a dealership because you didn't screw the gas cap back on properly. Number 2 on the list is having a scanner that has reset functions. A lot of newer vehicles go nuts when you do something as simple as replacing the battery. Having a scan tool will allow you to get this reset. There's also a number of other reset functions that a lot of scanners come with. Unfortunately, the more reset functions it does come with, the higher price the scanner usually is. Moving on to number 3, buying a used vehicle can really bring some uncertainty. Well, having a scan tool can possibly save you from buying someone else's nightmare. Before going to look at a car someone's trying to sell, they may have cleared all the codes to show nothing is actively wrong with the vehicle. Well, this scanner gives you a full vehicle health report and can show you what someone might be trying to hide. Think of it as your own Carfax report, minus if it's been in a wreck. Speaking of clearing the codes, that brings us to number 4. Some codes are hidden and may not trigger a light on the dash. When I replaced my door handles, the module that came with it, being on the driver's side, was interfering with my remote start system. I could not remote start my truck until I cleared the code. Luckily, having a scanner, I was able to see that there was a problem, and it saved me a trip having to go to the dealership. These are all the hidden codes my truck is throwing up, and I don't have a light on the dash. Number 5 is something that can give you peace of mind if you're someone that installs your own performance mods, and that's being able to read live data. Let's say you decide to install a cold air intake. Well, you can be sure you installed it correctly with a scan tool. If you bring up the short-term fuel trims and long-term fuel trims and watch them at idle, you could look to make sure the percentage is in the normal range. The scanner I'm using gives a really nice graph readout with different colors for each PID. Now that you know the reasons to have a scanner, you might be asking, what type of scanner do I need? There's literally hundreds out there. They range from $20 up to thousands of dollars. Well, I don't think you'll need one that's in the thousands unless you've got like a shop, but you could. It really just boils down to how much DIY work you want to do with your own vehicle. I personally have been using these scanners from Kingbolen, and they've worked fine for my needs. This $20 scanner will read codes just as well as this $350 scanner, but this one's gonna have more functionality and more reset options. This one also comes with lifetime free updates, and it's been really nice not having a cable attached like these other 2 scanners. I've had no issues with the Bluetooth functionality, and it seems to connect fine. So if you want something that just reads codes and gets you started in the right direction, this little $20 scanner might be a good option for you. They also offer a mid-range option, this launch scanner. Now, if you want something that allows you to play YouTube truck mechanic like me, then I would go for something like this. Well, I hope this video helped, and if you want to check out any of these scanners, I'll leave a link in the description below. Well, thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll see y'all.